Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add people to Instagram group using the Android phone. First step is open your Instagram app on your mobile device. In the top right corner of the feed, press the Instagram DM symbol. It resembles a speech bubble with a lightning bolt in the center. Navigate to the chat to which you would like to invite people. Then tap the group name at the top. Then scroll down and locate and choose the people you want to add. Tap add and find the name you want to add. Then done, then OK. You can see the new content add in your group chat.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.